Hi, I'm James McNaught, our partner at Carbon Group here in the accounting and tax team. And sitting next to me is Wayne French, one of my fellow directors and partners. Tax planning is really about estimating your current year's liabilities and your future year instalments. It requires a series of formulations and scenarios, trend analysis, benchmarking, forecasting. All of that's done to understand what your bills are going to be now and in the future.
Let's not forget that tax planning should be part of an overall strategy you should already be employing inside your business.
Well, the ones that plan ahead aren't surprised, and they're prepared for bills, and they have an idea of what their liabilities are going to be. But more than that, they're engaged in their businesses, and they're engaged with the process of the financials.
Businesses that plan ahead generally have great forecasting systems and great cash flow models. This forms part of that, but it helps you proactively manage your business.
Wayne, one of the most overlooked opportunities, I'd say, is around superannuation, both for businesses and personally. And there's a real timing benefit to be had in making super contributions early or later.
Having a look at the taxable income formula itself and looking at ways of timing your income, or possibly even bringing forward some of those business expenses that you want to claim. Yeah, so look, most planning requires an action of some kind. So if we are going to be putting in place a tax strategy that's going to save you tax, it really does require you to actually take action. So it's really critical that we have enough time before 30 June passes that we're getting all that stuff in place for you. It's pretty simple. They need to get in touch with their accountant as soon as possible. As we said earlier, this needs to be done by 30 June every year for it to be an effective tax strategy. So if you haven't been in touch with your accountant, please reach out as soon as possible. No doubt they'll be in touch, so please respond to those emails and telephone calls. We want to get you in, we want to get hold of that information, give you a report that explains everything that you can do, and certainly leave enough time to the actions in place. And that's the critical part, so please don't waste time.
And if you're not a current client, we'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to work with you on your strategies and how to plan for the year ahead.